Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are doing a little bit different, something different. I'm giving you overview how the FRAM air filter held up on my German cars after 60,000 kilometers, or which is about 35,000 miles. So over here, that I have over here, I put exactly what I had taken from my engine bay, and last time when I was at the dealer, these were not on sale. So I didn't want to spend big money to get the original air filter for my car. I bought this one. And if you look over here, this is pretty dirty after 60,000 kilometers. But if I flip it over, I paid much less for this one. And this air filter came, with this steel mesh that I have here. I'm pretty confident it was much cheaper than my other made in Germany filters that I used to purchase in the past. And if you look over here, I don't have that mesh on this one. And this is the one that I just pulled from a brand new one from the box. German made as well. For my Beamers and for my Volkswagens as well. So if you look over here, you're gonna pay double for the original one, and you're not gonna have a steel mesh. And guess what? But this is the video to prove you that you don't have to buy the most expensive from your dealer. Just by going down looking for the FRAM, it can give you quite nice results. Now this thing here is fairly foamy, and let's see, about the same, So like I said, if you can score FRAM on a decent deal, go ahead. They look quite okay after 60,000 kilometers. But if you end up buying one on sale, the original one, go for it like I have done over here. Hope you found this useful. This is your FRAM air filter after 60,000 kilometers. Consider liking, subscribing, and take care. Bye-bye.